What's up, YouTube? Today we are headed to our 44th National Park. We are about to take the ferry from St. Thomas to St. John, and we're gonna hit up Virgin Islands National Park. We took the ferry from Red Hook in St. Thomas to Cruz Bay in St. John. It cost $8 per person for a one-way ticket. This ferry runs every hour from 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., with the final ferry of the night being at 11:30 p.m. The ferry ride back runs every hour between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. It's a short trip of only 15 minutes and the views are gorgeous. There are other ferry options to make your way over to St. John, but this one was the quickest and the cheapest. So if you take the ferry to Cruz Bay, the visitor center for the national park is only a few blocks away, and the Lynn Trail picks up right from the visitor center. So we're doing that first. We're gonna check out Solomon Beach and Honeymoon Beach. Luckily this trail is pretty short. I only have sandals on, so thank God it's short. This trail is pretty uneventful until you get to the beach, and then you get to the beach and it's like, whoa! Just wanted to note that when you're on the Lynn Trail, you have to make the first left turn to go down to Solomon Beach, and then if you want to do Honeymoon Beach, you have to go back up and then continue a little bit further on the Lynn Trail. We can see the water through the trees, so I think we're really close.
Somebody's very happy. Very happy.
There's no one here. We have Solomon Beach to ourselves.
Yeah, she's not happy at all.
We have Solomon Beach all to ourselves. Check out this water. It is magical. We are leaving Solomon Beach and we're hiking back up to the Lynn Trail, which will take us to Honeymoon Beach next. We made it back to the Lynn Trail, hooking a left, which will take us to Honeymoon Beach shortly. Little side note, this is definitely my first time ever hiking in a bikini, but I'm not mad about it.
Neither am I.
We made it to Honeymoon Beach.
Somebody's loving life way too much right now.
Walking out into Honeymoon Beach. What do you think, babe?
Absolutely amazing. Does life get much better than this?
I don't think so.
That was pretty impressive.
One last view from Honeymoon Beach. We're gonna hike back to the visitor center and take a taxi over to Maho Beach. Hiking in sandals, 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. We're just wrapping up the Lynn Trail now. It's roughly 2.5 miles to go from the visitor center to Solomon Beach and Honeymoon Beach and back. We are just walking out onto Maho Bay Beach, hoping we can see some sea turtles. Greetings from Maho Bay Beach. We are walking out into Maho Bay Beach. It is absolutely stunning. The watercolor is like iridescent almost.
Who needs one of those flotation spas? We got this.
So what's pretty cool about Maho Bay Beach is that there are food trucks right across the street and lots of rentals as well. If you want to take out a kayak or a paddle board, they have all that right across the street. So everything you need right here. And I'm really hoping to see some sea turtles. I see a lot of snorkelers across the way over there, so I'm gonna make my way over there pretty soon and see what I could find.
So when you do come here, we tried different drinks and everything like that. I highly recommend the Tipsy Turtle. I just swam the entire length of Maho Beach and did not see any sea turtles. Epic fail, but I got a really good workout in. One last view from Maho Beach. We're gonna take a taxi to Cinnamon Bay Beach next. We were originally gonna walk it, but these roads here are very windy and narrow and sketchy, so we're gonna play it safe and take a taxi there. This is beach number 4. This is Cinnamon Bay Beach, and wow.
We are walking out on Cinnamon Bay Beach.
Beach number 4 for today. You know it's a great day when it consists entirely of beach hopping.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm underwater. This is more difficult than I thought.
All right, last view of Cinnamon Bay Beach. We have one more beach to hit before we head back to St. Thomas. We're off to Trunk Bay Beach next. What's pretty cool is right across the street from Cinnamon Bay Beach, you see the ruins. I'm not going to do the whole trail, but take a little peek. Hi! Hello! Alright, my day is officially made. I didn't think we were going to see the donkeys on this side of the island, but here they are. Hello! Are you friendly? Hello! Hi! Hi, little guy. You're so cute. We saved the best for last. We just arrived at Trunk Bay Beach. We saw donkeys in the parking lot. We're off to a great start. So we're hoping to check out the beach and also the snorkel trail. Okay, so one of the super cool things about Trunk Bay Beach is that there is an underwater snorkel trail. So I'm not sure where it starts. There's a couple buoys, so I'm gonna swim out to the buoys and hopefully take you guys on an underwater adventure. So the only thing that's really sad about me having short hair right now is I can't do any hair flip pictures. I used to do those on every island. So in the meantime, you guys are gonna get another spinning video. So we're here a little later in the day. I feel like the lighting is not doing this beach any justice, but it's official. Trunk Bay Beach is my favorite beach on St. John, and I think in the Virgin Islands so far. About 4:30 p.m. We did 1 trail and 5 beaches at Virgin Islands National Park. I would say it was a pretty successful day. Gary might have to drag me kicking and screaming off this beach, but it's time to head out. We have to grab some food and then take the ferry back to St. Thomas.
It's like Tucker and Chase fighting.
There's even deer at the beach. Crazy. So this is super exciting. One of the reasons we came here is because you can get soursop here. For those of you that know, soursop can help cure cancer. So we're gonna put this in a brown bag when we get back. Hopefully it'll be ripe by Saturday, and hopefully it will shrink my cancer. So we're just wrapping up our day on St. John. We had an absolutely epic day in the national park. We did 1 really cool trail and saw 5 of the most beautiful beaches we've ever been to, and then wrapped up our day at high tide because Gary was a little hangry. but we're good now. We got a soursop, so I would say it was a successful day. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Many more adventures are on the way.